Okay, Sierra, thank you very much. Hospital leaders are keeping a close eye on the flu here in Arkansas. The season likely to be one we haven't seen since before the pandemic.
At least 30 Arkansans have already died from the virus this season. Our Frederick Price shares a warning from Baptist Health ICU. Frederick.
Yeah, Faith and Rowley. Baptist Health tells me they are seeing 3 times as many flu patients in the hospital than COVID. A concern because flu patients are sicker than those battling COVID this year. And now leaders are also noticing this strain of the flu is affecting younger people much more than the coronavirus.
This year, with COVID cases nowhere near what we saw at the height of the pandemic, Dr. Amanda Novak with Baptist Health is now concerned with the flu.
This is really the first time since March of 2020 that we've had more flu than we have COVID.
Novak says masks likely kept flu cases down over the last 2 years, but now it's back with a vengeance.
Our flu patients are much sicker than our COVID patients.
To put that into perspective, Novak tells me 85 flu patients are admitted to Baptist. 31 of those are in the ICU and 15 on a ventilator. In the entire hospital system, only 31 COVID patients admitted. Only 2 are on a ventilator.
It looks like it's going to be one of the biggest flu seasons, certainly in over a decade.
She compares it to pre-pandemic flu seasons. More than 200 died during the 2018 season and 120 deaths in 2019. This year, Dr. Novak is also noticing a trend in COVID and flu hospitalizations at Baptist.
90% of our COVID patients are over the age of 60. But we have about 40% of our flu patients are under the age of 60.
According to her, younger people are getting sick with the flu much more than COVID right now.
Young people are less likely to get vaccinated for the most part, and just their activity level will be different.
And she adds, even though there is no indication this flu season will get better, she doesn't anticipate any issues with staff becoming overwhelmed. The hospital still has plenty of nurses and ventilators.
For the individual, this flu is worse than COVID, but for the healthcare system, it's really not nearly as impactful as those COVID surges.
Well, the silver lining in this is the flu season will end eventually, but she says the most effective way to fight against the virus is getting a flu shot and also consider wearing a mask, especially if you are at high risk and have diseases like COPD and heart disease.